Hi guys, this tutorial is about automatic screenshot capturing tool for Unity. You know, this is always a pain to make game screenshots for multiple devices and platforms like iOS, like Android, like some desktop platforms. So in result you will get a lot of different resolution settings. So it would be nice to have some kind of tool which is simplifies this process of taking screenshots. So when you just choose some game moment and just press one button and get a whole set of screenshots of this particular game moment. So for example, here I have a game from Asset Store. It's a default Unity example. I have changed it a bit. I added some UI elements here and here. So let me show you. I have written a small tool for multiple screenshot capturing. Here I have a couple of options. It's the most general option, so we make screenshot sets and open screenshot locations. So, as you see here, we get all the screenshots we get from this game moment. Let me show you. So this one is a screenshot of resolution for iPhone 4, and for example this one, I think it's for iPad Retina display. Yeah. There are a couple of ways how to implement screenshot capturing in Unity. First, you can use a render to texture, attach it to the game camera and take a screenshot directly from the game camera. This approach have some drawbacks and are complicated for implementation. If you want to try it, you can look into a Unity Store plugin which is use this approach. It's called Instant Screenshot. But in my tutorial, we will use a different approach because it's much easier and I think better. We will just manually resize the game view window and then use a capture screenshot function of application class to take a screenshot of the game view. First, let's create an editor script because we want to have an editor script to run our screenshot capturing process. So let's call it screenshot taker, for example. So where is it? Yeah, here is it. So it would be an editor script, so we don't need a mono behavior base class. Let's make some function like public static menu item take screenshots. So we will call this function from the menu, editor menu. Yeah, we need also to use a Unity editor. So it would be menu item. It will be in tools. It will be take screenshots. Yep, here is our function. First, we need to find our game view. Game view is an editor window, so we can use a function called editor window get window, and here you need to define a editor window derived class, and using this class Unity can get you an instance of the window. So we can use so in general we can use a type of game view, but the problem that game view is inaccessible due to its protection level, because it's a Unity internal class, so we cannot use it directly. To avoid this, we need to use a kind of a hack via reflection. So using a reflection in C#, you can take a type by name. Let me show you. So let it be system type game view type. And here we can just write type we want to get. Unity editor. So where is it located? Unity editor game view. Unity editor game view. And then we need also to define, I think, yeah, I think it's a DLL name. Okay. And then this would be a type, so we can put this type here. And in result, we will get a editor window. It should be our game view. In case if we doesn't have our game view on the screen, we can manually open it. So we can use editor application execute menu item. So this game view are located in window game. So we just execute window game. And then we can try one more time. And if in this case we get problem, we will just write something like debug error yeah, but this one is probably never happens. So now we need to resize this game view with the resolution we want to take screenshot. So let's assume we have this resolution, and width and height is, so it's 4:3 resolution, 4:3 aspect ratio, and now we will do this. So each editor window have a position property. Position property is a rectangle, and we need just to edit this rectangle and reset this rectangle back to the game view. So we just say, okay, it would be, so X position would be 0, Y position would be 0, rect width position would be width of our resolution we want to take, and then we just set it back to the game view. Okay, great. Let's check how it works. So after I call test screenshot, we get a new resolution of our game view. Great. Okay, it works. Go back to our script. Okay, after we resize our game view, I will just to make things clear. And now the second step, we need to take a screenshot. So for taking screenshot, we will use application capture screenshot, which will automatically save our game view screenshot into the PNG file, and we need to define a name of the PNG file. So let it be some system daytime now to string. So we just take our current daytime, call it screenshot plus current daytime, and we also can save our screenshot to the temporal location. So let it be application persistent or temporal cache path. Let it be a persistent data path. And we will just combine this persistent data path. So it's a default system EO path class for directory operations, and it has method called combine. Of course, you can write something like application plus this or this plus your file name. It depends on what system you work. But this function, it is better to use this function because this function will guarantee that the directory concatenation would be always right. And then you save the captured screenshot in this file name, and then we want also to write a function to open the Explorer in the folder we save our screenshot. So we just write open URL, application open URL, and define our file name. Okay, let's try it out. Pilot to store screenshot. Interesting. Let's try to debug and see what happens there. Alright, the screenshot should have a proper, yeah, it's a problem of this date now function. we need to use a custom format. Let it be something like year, months, date, hours, minutes and seconds, and plus we need to add an extension. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, it works. So we get our screenshot, and Unity automatically opens it in the default image viewer. Okay. It seems the month is wrong. Ah, right. It should be big letters. Okay, and we also want probably to open our screenshot folder, not the screenshot itself. So I will just define additional variable, call it folder pass. It would be our persistent data pass. So I define additional value just because I reuse it in a couple of places now. So now we open a folder, not a screenshot directly. So let's try it out. Yeah, it works. And now we fix our months displaying in the file name. Okay, and now let's check our screenshot resolution to verify that everything works okay. So I will just open a PaintNet and I will just check the resolution of this image. You see, a height of this image is different from the height we define in our script. That's because in Unity, game view has this small bar, and we need to take into account this height. So we need just to make so that they take a difference from these two numbers, and the difference would be 17 pixels. So this would be a size of our game view bar height. It would be 17 pixels, and we need to add this height to our screenshot height. So our game view height. So in the result we should get a normal screenshot, a right screenshot. Let's open it. Yeah, now we get a right screenshot with a proper height. Okay, that's all for now. In the next tutorial, I will show how to implement multiple screenshot taking and high-resolution screenshot support. Thanks for watching, put likes and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.